Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here again, Alessandro Craveri, Executive Director of Globe Panels. The subject we're going to talk about today is the flat panels, sandwich panels. Why we use flat panels? First of all, we use the flat sandwich panels because we want an aesthetic. From the aesthetical point of view, we won't have any corrugation, any stripes on those external side. But the main feature is that avoiding this corrugation and stripes on the edge at the end, above all, we won't have any dirty space, any dirty particles that can engage inside. So finally, ladies and gentlemen, why using these flat sandwich panels? First, aesthetically they are nicer, they won't have any corrugation, but above all, there is no dirty germs and bacteria that are engaging in the lower side, and they are very common, very practical to use for our cold chambers kit, and combined with all the sealant that are provided with. So again, thank you for following us on our YouTube, Facebook and Instagram channel, and see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.